My favorite producer, Dixon Beats. Getting here, guys. So still I'm in Ghana, and today we are going to Kakum National Park, and this is the entrance to Kakum National Park. So you guys follow us. Let's go enjoy at Kakum National Park with my husband, my Akuma, and our other friends. So let's go. So cheers. So guys, when you get here, you first wash your hands at the entrance, and also go write your name, where you are coming from, and the contact number. So this is the entrance, like I told you, and here you can see the rate of an adult, a student, and you know. So guys, now we are here at the reception. We are going to pay our money and we can go have fun. So you guys follow me, man. You don't know what you're doing. So guys, we are here at the reception. Right here we have to go pay for entrance or gate fee. So you can go ahead. So this is going ahead to pay for the money so that we can go have fun. So I think you are going to get a tour guide who is going to lead us to enjoy or have fun. So this is the place. It's very, very clean and nice. Yeah, so if you're a student, you get to pay less. If you're in secondary school, you get to pay less. I mean, senior high school, you get to pay less. And if you're in university, you get to pay like also less. But if you don't have any ID to show, I think you pay the regular rate and all that. So yes, it's a nice area, and guys, it's very, very clean. The people here are very nice. So you guys just wait for us to be on the Canopy walkway. You can hike over here, you can have picnics, and you can enjoy the Canopy walkway. So bird watching, Canopy walkway, bridge area, picnic area. So you guys wait till it gets lit. So guys, when you get here and you pay for your money, you walk to the waiting area, and look at this. The waiting area has a restaurant and also a shopping center where you can shop for Ghana wares, any African print, any African stuff. So you wait there, and the tour guide will come for you with the time. So our time is 10:40. So we are going to wait at the waiting area and wait for the tour guide to come for us. Okay. My favorite producer, Dixon Beats.
We have some place that I'll do I'll brief you about this forest. Thank you. You're welcome.
So guys, now we are on our way to the Canopy walkway. So you guys watch some people cry today, okay? It's a very cozy and beautiful, quiet area. The place is very clean and nice. Wow. Oh, really? Yeah, okay, boy. Yeah. So guys, now we are here, and at this point I don't want to believe this guy. He keep on telling us we are almost there, but we are not there yet. So
what they do? So farming is a lot of 250 meters. Please, I'm going to snakes. The reason is that bird watching and canopy walkway. I'll throw more light on the canopy walkway. That's where we are going. With a nature walk, I thought that will take you through the forest and show you the trees. Their names, medicinal purposes, and cultural value. We have different kinds of trees in this forest. That's the for ebony tree, tree called Yaya, Usimbri, or Snaffing, lots. Because you are not going for the hiking, I can't throw more light on them. Anyway,
my gang.
Bird watching, I thought I will take you on the canopy walkway. That one is because of
my
you do it early in the morning, 6 o'clock a.m. to 7 o'clock a.m. in the evening, 5 o'clock p.m. in the evening, 6 o'clock p.m. So that one, we have 300 birds here, different kinds of birds. Every bird has a name. That's the way it cries. So you can see them by the sound that they will make. Now, the sound that they will make will depend the name of the bird that is crying. And with the canopy walkway, it was constructed in the year 1994. Still open in the year 1995 with 8 people, 2 Canadians, Tom and John, and 6 Daniels. They formed the maintenance team. They are still here, they are still alive. They make sure that every morning they go there for checkup, because sometimes early in the morning it might be that something has happened, they have to go and check. And also snakes might even just sneak into the net and nothing. They go there and check all these things before they will allow a visitor to go there. And canopy walkway rises from 18 feet. 18 feet and a 10 at 11 feet. And the height is 45 feet above the forest floor. In all, the long is 350 meters. That's the long. The canopy walkway, we have 7 bridges. And after every bridge, we have resting points. On the first bridge, after the first bridge, that's the resting point that you have there. That's the place you decide to choose. Either you take the bypass or you go for the long one. Those who are afraid of heights. That's the place that you decide. If you decide, you will
Careful.
It might be that you lock somewhere, and if God did not count in your drive, you on the first resting point you decide where to go. And here the name Kakum National Park will drive from 2 places. One from monkey, it used to cry Kakum. Another one from the river, a big river that takes from this forest. It's called Kakum. That's why you have Kakum National Park. In every forest you have 4 layers. The first one is the forest floor. That's where we are standing. And it's small trees. That's the second one. They are all fighting for sunlight. And the tree that grow up to form a canopy. That's why you have canopy walkway. And the median tree, they are the trees on the canopy. You see them one in the forest. And the reason why I told you guys to avoid shaking trees.
My favorite producer on Dixon Beats. on Dixon Beats.
The big guy will the tour guide will take you through the forest, try to show you the animals. Very big one, similar like one at Akimoda. That one was
My favorite producer on Dixon Beats.
Maintenance cost every
on Dixon Beats.
too much. I said, Lord, now you can see my dear.
which one is the short one? May here from 1 minute be our kusie twem. Aye. Koto.
My favorite producer.
Yeah. Oh, they are me. Ha, Nipanye. About me, I will be as how the South for dinning now. What will you have?
Some mommy pressure.
Are you done?
No.
Here for Hannah. Oh, say we.
The mom can enter a video. Mom can.
So guys, we are done. Oh God, I couldn't talk. I couldn't talk because it was so scary and fun at the same time. Coming with all these guys, it was lit. So guys, I'm going to scare them. Perform in the uncle.
Yes.
On Dixon Beats.